Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essential prerequisites so nothing trivial blocks voice chat. Check Xbox Live Service status and your NAT type in network settings because NAT restrictions often prevent party chat. Next, test the headset and controller, swap cables, or try the headset on a phone to isolate hardware issues. Once done, sign out and back in and perform a console restart. This clears cached network states and applies pending permissions for apps and party chat. You now address the complex middle steps focused on network and account settings because most problems live here. Enable UPnP or forward UDP 88 and 3074 and TCP 3074 on your router to let party traffic flow. Without that, voice can fail. Then make sure Xbox privacy and communication permissions allow voice communications and that no one is accidentally blocked. Finally, switch to a reliable DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and run the built-in network connection test to validate changes. You finish by consolidating fixes and running final validations so voice chat is reliable. Power cycle both router and Xbox together, then rejoin the party and test both in-game voice and party chat to confirm success. If problems persist, reset Xbox network settings to defaults and try a different headset or controller to rule out hardware. Make sure to try a wired Ethernet connection or a mobile hotspot. Isolating the ISP or router reveal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.